Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Reddit without the app. You can easily access Reddit through any web browser on your phone or computer. The mobile web interface is designed to provide a very similar user experience to the app, allowing you to browse your favorite subreddits and view posts without any hassle. This method saves storage space on your device and still keeps you connected to the Reddit community. Once you navigate to Reddit in your browser, you can log into your account just as you would on the app. This enables you to post comments, upvote or downvote content, and engage with other users. The search bar is readily available for finding specific subreddits or topics of interest. You can also easily customize your feed by subscribing to various communities, ensuring you see the content you care about most. Using Reddit through your web browser offers several advantages. You save valuable storage space on your device by not installing the app, which is great for phones with limited memory. Additionally, you might experience fewer intrusive notifications, leading to a less distracting browsing experience. However, it's worth noting that some advanced features or specific integrations found only in the official app might not be accessible through the web interface. To optimize your Reddit web experience, consider bookmarking your most visited subreddits for quick access. On mobile, you can also try switching to desktop mode in your browser settings if you prefer that layout. This gives you more control over how you view content. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your Reddit browsing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.